Mic to mic here. Hey, just want to let you guys know I inherited my wife's MacBook Air. So it needs a battery. It's a 2013 model. And here is what I have to do. I've already taken some of the screws out. I'm going to replace it with that battery. That's the instructions. Couple screwdrivers, some new bumper pads. So I guess I'm gonna try to see how well this works. I've removed this screw, this screw, this screw. These two screws are longer. This screw, and I gotta remove these three, and then I'm gonna take the back off. Okay, I've got Brandy involved. She's holding the camera while I'm doing this. This will be my first video I'll probably publish. This is an A1466. So this is a 2013 MacBook Air with the i7. It's been a good machine. We've used it a lot. Brandy got a new MacBook with the M1 processor, and I believe she absolutely loves it. So since I now have a YouTube channel, I'm going to inherit this so I can edit my videos and we can see who can get the most subscribers. She's gonna win. Ow. And she's physically abusive. Let's just put that out there. Okay. So it's neat that they give you these two screwdrivers. I watched a video on this, and it didn't seem like it was that hard. But I didn't realize what the two screwdrivers are for, but I'm guessing in this particular instance is the blue one for the back, and it may be a different one for inside. I did buy the larger battery, so let's see if I can figure out how to... Oh, just very easily pulls off. Unboxing. It's a lot cleaner than I expected it was going to be. The one I saw online, it was covered in pet hair. So they say you reach up under here and you pull this quick connector, and now the battery's unplugged. And then you have to take a screw here, a screw here, a screw here, here, and here. And one of these is longer. Let's see, is it this screwdriver? That's why they give you two screwdrivers. The blue one is for the back. The green one is for the battery. So we'll take these screws out. And again, this looked like it was about a 15-minute, maybe 20 ordeal. And for comparison's sake, yep, there's two different size screws right there. See? Got a longer one, a shorter one, and that was from there and there. Good idea to keep track of where they go. I called our local, we're in the Midwest, and the cost for the local computer place that is a quick fix is, I think, $100 to $120. The Mac store was $129, and the Mobile Maxsters, which I think is a chain, said it was $129 for the battery plus $50 labor. I'm into this for 60 bucks. And then this just lifts up. I did not pry at all. I'm gonna pull that off. And they give you a couple other things here, I see, which I did not change. Some keypad protector, which I'm not gonna use. And then the new battery. Let's hope that it just sits right in there, like so. We'll start the reassembly process. All right, so we've got the screws back in it. I turn it back over. I have not powered it on. We're going to lift it and see if it turns on. Oh. Okay. So I flip this back over. Get these out of the way. The bag. Okay. The one thing that I think I remember seeing was you have to plug in the power cord. This has a MagSafe adapter. And then it should go orange. There. Oh, I saw the screen light up. So let's see. There's the Apple symbol. That's a good sign. Okay. So just for purposes, yesterday I basically wiped this whole thing and reinstalled Big Sur, Outlook, Dropbox, the things that I need to be successful. And it looks like everything works. Let's see if it shows what the battery is at. It's charging 50%. And then if you go into your system preferences and you go to here, about this Mac, you should be able to get a system report and click on power. And sure enough, 8,228 milliamp hours. Can you see that up close? And the old battery, when I looked at it, there, it's there. And then that's one cycle count, so that's a new battery. The old battery was a 7,200 milliamp hour battery, is what the recommended replacement is, but it was only rated at full charge at 6,200 milliamp hours, so it had degraded over time. So anyway, mic to mic here. If you guys like this video, I'll see if I can throw some others out there, and click the subscribe button. And what is it you tell me, babe?
Turn on notifications.
Turn on notifications. And do you hit the bell? What do you hit the bell?
Ring that bell!
Ring that bell! All right, guys. Thanks again.